Peugeot Boxer 3, how to adjust the time. If you look on the right side of the steering wheel, you'll see a mode button and an up and down arrow. So click on the mode button, then you'll see menu. Scroll down till you see setup time. Click one more time mode, and then just input the correct time. Confirm with mode. Confirm again with mode, and then one more time set time. That's it. So this is how you set up the clock or the time, and after you set it up, it will stop flashing. Thanks for watching.